नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं एनडीटीवी राजस्थान। मैं हूं आपके साथ मनीष शर्मा। आम बजट के विरोध में विपक्ष लामबंद हो गया है और आज संसद परिसर में प्रदर्शन करेगा। विपक्ष ने बजट में भेदभाव का आरोप लगाते हुए कहा है कि इस बार का बजट पूरे देश के बजाय कुछ खास राज्यों का बजट है, जिसमें सारे राज्यों और हर वर्ग के का ख्याल नहीं रखा गया। विपक्ष के मुताबिक ये बजट पूंजीपतियों के हक में लाया गया बजट है। बजट को लेकर कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे के आवास पर INDI गठबंधन की अहम बैठक हुई। इसमें बजट के विरोध में प्रदर्शन करने का फैसला लिया गया है। बैठक में कांग्रेस सांसद राहुल गांधी, समाजवादी पार्टी मुखिया अखिलेश यादव, NCP पवार गुट के प्रमुख शरद पवार समेत तमाम दलों के प्रतिनिधि शामिल हुए हैं।
After seeing that, this has been declared about 25 years back, sir. With now the population increase and the inflation, rather this 50 crores is going to be increased, sir.
Sir, the Aspirational Districts program is a pan-India program. It is a brainchild of the Honorable Prime Minister, and in 2018, all districts were assessed as to find out who were the lowest ranked in living index. 112 districts were selected, and out of those 112 districts, we have tried to make sure that these districts come up at par with the rest of the better off districts in the country. The theme in all these districts to make them rise above their backwardness is convergence, cooperation and competition. Convergence of all government schemes, whether they are state government schemes or whether they are government of India schemes. And then we have made one step forward and asked for cooperation between the state governments and the central governments, and thereafter we've had competition amongst all these 112 districts through a delta ranking system, whereby according to the baseline, the performance of each of these districts, how further it has gone up or down, has been decided. Now Andhra Pradesh had 3 districts which were in the list of 112 aspirational districts. However, 2 of these aspirational districts, namely Visakhapatnam and Vijayanagar, were bifurcated. And instead of Visakhapatnam, Alluri...
आप सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते, प्रश्नकाल नहीं चलाना चाहते, सदन में नियोजित तरीके से गतिरोध करना ठीक नहीं है। और माननीय सदस्यगणों, संसद में प्रदर्शन करते समय इस बात का ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि किसी भी माननीय सदस्य को गेट पे आने पे गतिरोध पैदा नहीं होना चाहिए। मैंने बुलाकर भी चर्चा की है और ये उचित नहीं है, मुझे कई माननीय सदस्यों ने लिखा है।
स्पीकर महोदय, आपने जो अभी रिमार्क किया है, कई मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्लियामेंट ने हमको भी अप्रोच किया है कि ये जो मेन पार्लियामेंट का द्वार है,
मुझे लिख के दिया है, लिख के दिया मुझे,
और आपका संज्ञान में भी आया है, मुझे भी बताया गया है। और दूसरी बात सर, आज क्वेश्चन आवर में जो हमारा अपोजिशन एमपीज ने जो किया है वो निंदनीय है। ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग में सर, ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग में सारा पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के फ्लोर लीडर ने कहा हाउस अच्छा से चलना चाहिए, नियम से चलना चाहिए, सबने कहा। फिर सदन में आकर के इस तरीके से डिस्टर्ब करना, क्वेश्चन आवर का डिस्टर्ब करना, ये ठीक नहीं है सर।
सदन में मैं व्यवस्था दे रहा हूं कि प्रश्नकाल में न प्रतिपक्ष न सत्ता पक्ष की तरफ से किसी को भी बोलने की इजाजत नहीं होगी। केवल प्रश्नकाल में प्रश्नकाल ही चलेगा, ये व्यवस्था है।
Second
supplementary.
Sir, thank you very much, Speaker, sir. Sir, in this minister's reply stated, for especially Andhra Pradesh, only 34 crores has been sanctioned. Out of that, only 49 lakhs only has been spent, sir. What is the reason also, and I would like from the Honorable Minister, and not only that, sir, I requested him also whether this 50 crores is going to be increased later, because 50 crores is a very small amount, you know, for a district, for a development, sir. And moreover, sir, one more thing also, whether this, the Prakasham district declared by, you know, Honorable Prime Minister with the, at the instance of, you know, my leader, Honorable CM, you know, Chandrababu Naidu Garu, that
कोई जवाब नहीं था। उन्होंने माना कि बिहार को इसमें कुछ ज़रूर दिया गया है, लेकिन उनकी डिमांड है कि विशेष राज्य का दर्जा ही दिया जाए। बाकी जो पार्टियां हैं वो अपने अपने राज्यों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। टीएमसी का कहना है कि बंगाल को तरजीह नहीं दी गई, आम आदमी पार्टी का कहना है कि दिल्ली पंजाब को तरजीह नहीं दी गई, डीएमके का कहना है कि तमिलनाडु को तरजीह नहीं दी गई। तो इसी लाइन पर जो 20 घंटे की चर्चा होनी है, आप देखेंगे सभी पार्टियाँ इसी लाइन पर सरकार पर हमला करेंगी।
A delta ranking by virtue of which there is competition amongst all the 112 aspirational districts. The first district amongst those 112 per month gets 10 crore rupees. The district that comes second gets 5 crore rupees. Apart from that, there are sectors like health and nutrition and agriculture and water harvesting which are also assessed. And whoever comes first out of those 112 districts on these parameters is given 3 crores each.
Coded by me for this purpose. I cannot persuade myself but to take serious exception to this unwholesome practice adopted by a senior member, leader of the opposition. I will call upon leaders of the parties to soul search and my reflections about Rule 267, that in more than 3 decades it has been availed only for half a dozen occasions. And every day of the sitting, I get number of such requests. It is being taken as a routine exercise, as a habit. It has reduced itself to a farcical exercise. In spite of my serious observations yesterday, since no focus has taken place, I have again uploaded the same on your portal. Honorable Finance Minister, to the observations made.
So thank you very much for giving this opportunity, although it is unfortunate that the opposition, particularly a senior leader of the opposition, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge, who stood up to say his views on what he heard of the budget yesterday. I would think, and maybe it's a bit too much to expect, that in the honor of democracy, at least the opposition would have stayed here to listen to what I have to respond now that the leader of the opposition raised issues on the budget which was presented yesterday and tabled in this House yesterday. Just to the point that he raised, that I have not named many states and probably spoke about only 2 states. There are a few points which I have to table here with your permission, voice here with your permission, as to what happens in a speech. Congress party has been in power for a very long time in this country. They presented so many different budgets, and they would know clearly that in every budget, you don't get an opportunity to name every state of this country. I'll take this example. Between vote on account, which was presented on 1st February this year, and now the full budget which was presented yesterday for this year, I have not named very many states. But let me take the example of Maharashtra, for instance. Between vote on account and yesterday's budget, in vote on account and in yesterday's budget, I had not named Maharashtra. I'll take it as an example. Cabinet has, under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, passed a very important decision. It has taken the decision to set up a very big port in Vadavan in Maharashtra. Did Maharashtra get ignored because I did not mention the name of Maharashtra? 76,000 crores have been announced for that project. Maharashtra's name was not taken in the vote on account, nor was it taken yesterday. But does it mean that we've ignored Maharashtra? And I can take the name of so many other different states where we have major projects, one. And second, if the speech does not mention the name of a particular state, does it mean that the schemes of the Government of India, the programs of Government of India, the externally aided assistance which we obtain from the World Bank and ADB and AIB and so on, institutions such as that, don't go to these states? They go as per a routine, and actually the expenditure statement of the government, the department-wise allocation of the government, clearly item-wise mentions all this. This is a deliberate attempt, and I'm saying this with responsibility. This is a deliberate attempt of the opposition parties led by the Congress party to give an impression to the people, oh, nothing has been given to our states, it's only been given to 2 states. I would challenge the Congress party for all the budget speeches that they've delivered, that in each of the budget speeches, have they named every state of this country? This is an outrageous allegation. This is an outrageous allegation, and now that they have come here, now that the TMC has come here, I would like to say, now that there's a member trying to disrupt me, I would like to say, sir, even the schemes which have been given to Bengal,
Thank you,
even the schemes, Chairman, sir, you should allow me to say this. Even the schemes which have
Nothing
been
will go on
allocated
recorded,
to
no
Bengal,
shout. Mr. Saket,
sir,
no
you
play.
asked me to
No,
speak.
please don't shout.
You
Don't
have
shout,
asked
don't
me
shout.
to speak.
This is not a shouting place. Is it a shouting place? Dr. John Britas, Priyanka Chaturvedi, even
You
senior
asked
member
me to
Jola
speak,
Sen.
sir.
No. Please, no. Take your seat. Oh,
Sir, let me just finish, sir. I hope I'll be
Honorable
allowed to
members,
finish.
one second. Take your seat. 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 Please take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Honorable members, please take your seat. One second, ma'am. One second. Honorable members,
Complete, sir.
okay, finish. Finish. 2 minutes.
Sir,
2 minutes.
yes, I will speak on Bengal. I've already spoken on Maharashtra for the members who chose to walk out of the house without listening to my reply. Sir, let me have some order, sir, in the house.
Honorable Finance
Sir, let
Minister,
me tell you, sir.
will have ample opportunity to respond to each of
Yes,
them
sir, but this
when
kind
you
of a
finally
statement by
respond.
a very senior member of the House, leader of the opposition, it's I think, not acceptable. And let me answer, sir, the members from TMC. Even yesterday, the TMC questioned the budget, saying, oh, nothing has been given to Bengal. Let me just highlight the fact that the several schemes given by Honorable Prime Minister in the last 10 years have not even been implemented in
Okay, ma'am,
West
okay.
Bengal.
Thank you.
Health insurance. And you have the audacity to ask me now?
Okay, sir.
Bengal should correct its
Honorable
course.
members, matters raised with permission, Srimati Mausam Noor. One second.
Sir, my 0 hour
One
today
second. Prabhudev,
take
please. No.
necessary steps to stop
We will wait for all these issues during the debate.
Sir,
No.
thank you for
Please take your
accepting my
seat.
0 hour.
I have
as the first
allocated
vote
20
today.
hours. One
Sir,
second.
how can Nirmala
One
ji
second. No.
accuse the
What is
Bengal
this?
government? This is wrong. You owe 1 lakh.
Bengal. बोलिए. Mr. Patel, please, all of you, take your seat. Mr. Patel, take your seat. Take your seat. Jairam, take your seat. Sir, you created chaos. One second, honorable members, one second, please allow me to speak. Allow me to say, please. Please. One second. All of you take your seat. Please, honorable members. One second. Shrimati Mausam Noor.
0 hour today.
Yes.
Is demand to take
Demand. Nothing has been gone record.
stop the
Nothing has.
happened by the Ganga River in Malda, West Bengal.
One second. Honorable members, no. Shashmit Pata, please. No.
This is injustice to
No.
Bengal, sir.
Digvijaji, please.
Finance Minister is insulting Bengal.
Digvijaji,
Finance Minister is insulting Bengal, sir.
Government of
Modi government.
Please. Honorable Minister, please. No. I will. Don't force my hands. Honorable members, please. Honorable members. No, 1 second. Take your seat. No, take your seat. Take your seat. 1 second. Honorable members, Honorable Minister, please. Honorable Minister, nothing will go on record. Please. Nothing will go on record. Honorable members, I gave the floor to leader of the opposition and he made his point. Since the Honorable Finance Minister had to say something, there is a right. Rest of you will have ample opportunity during 20 hours and I will increase the time also to accommodate others. And let us set some example. Please, the way we have done it not good. Please. Shrimati Mausam Noor. Yes, please hear.
Sir, my 0 hour today.
She is raising a good point.
Necessary steps to stop.
1 second. Demand to take, 1 second. Why don't you hear the lady? Demand to take necessary steps to stop erosion by the Ganga river in Malda, West Bengal. Very important point. Yes, madam.
Sir, thank you
Mausam
for
Noor.
accepting my 0 hour as the first notice. You have been very generous. However, the finance minister has not been at all generous. 0 has been given to Bengal in the budget and 0 has been